Hello guys, and welcome to my new series. In this series I'm going to be going through using Notepad++ to create batch files, such as creating little games and databases, all using just a batch file on Notepad++. So let's open up Notepad++ now. Okay, so as you can see here is Notepad++. It is just an update from the normal Notepad. Let's get that up. So here's Notepad. Here's just Notepad. Just an update. You can do whatever you want in here. Just the same as this. This is better. Notepad++ would be better for coding. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, let's close that now. Okay, so because we're gonna create a game, we're just gonna go to language up here, and we're gonna use batch file in this series. I'll be showing you what all these are for in other series, but this series is just going to be about the batch file. So let's create a batch, and we're going to put @echo off. So this will stop it, so when we open the command prompt to open this up, it will not show something like this. C users user documents, and then whatever your desktop slash file. So it will not show that. And then hello. It will not show that. It'll just say when we put echo off, it'll just say hello, which is what we want it to do. So next we'll put delete that. Next we'll put title. Okay, title. My little quiz game. Okay, so that'll title this here into my little quiz game when we open it up. Okay, so 2 spaces down, 1 space down, whatever I'll go to. Just makes it look a bit neater. You want to put a colon. Let's put menu, and then clear screen, CLS, clear screen. Echo, let's put a colour 0A. Yeah, I think that'll work. I don't really use colours much, but I'll use it in this one. If it don't work, then I'm not going to be able to use colours. So let's put echo dot echo. So this here will create a speech, but because there's a dot after it, it'll just create a space. So like, it'll go new clear screen, space. It's like, it'll leave a line blank, and then it will say hello, welcome. Oops, comma. Need to use correct grammar. That's what I need to use. Welcome to my little quiz. Oops, not whiz. Quiz game. Echo dots. Echo. So lines clear. Hello, welcome to my maze. Another clear line, and then it will say there. Nope. We'll put. So what we'll do is we'll put tab 1, and let's just put a 1 dot. I don't know that. Don't know which one I should use. 1 dot. I'll just use that. I'll put these are my options. So I'll put start, echo, tab 2 colon. No, not colon. What am I saying? Close bracket. So 2 close bracket. Info. Nope. We'll put help. Nope. We'll put rules. That's what we need. Rules. And then another echo. Tab 3 close brackets. Exit. And we'll put echo dot to create another space, and then this time we're going to put tab. I don't need to put the tab, but I'm just going to like, so that that'll show there, that'll show in the middle, but I don't want this to show right at the edge, so I'll show it about here. Set /p, so this will allow someone to type. This will be showing what they're type. Just type a name. We'll put menu equals enter. So space there. Yep. So set. That's. I don't know what that is. It just like, I don't know. I'll come around to that later. That will show. So that's what they will see, and then they will type. They will type something here. They'll type 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so that allows someone to type. And go back to there. Now we're gonna put if percentage menu percentage. Oops, no, that's not percent. So this here is linking to this. So that is linking to that. Okay, so whatever they type in there, it will be linked to this to show if it equals 1, they'll go to they'll go to start. Don't need to put that colon there though. If percent menu percent 2 equals, if it equals 2, it'll go to rules. Go to rules. And then if percent menu percent equals 3, go to for exit you can just type exit. So you don't need to put go to exit, you just exit. And then we'll put echo dot, we'll put clear screen. So this, what we'll put in here now is if it doesn't match any of them, it'll skip these and go straight onto this. So it'll clear the screen, echo dot to leave a space, echo, sorry, this was not recognized, type 2 for a help screen. We'll put that on a different line. So that was there. Capital T. Echo. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Actually, I'll put space in between them, so it's echo dot. Yeah, that's better. And then we'll put ping. So this, what I'm typing now, is gonna wait a couple of seconds before it goes back, so nothing needs to be pressed. Yeah, so 4 ones and 4 periods will make it 4 seconds. We'll put negative n, so 1, and then negative w, 4,000, because it's 4 the ones. So then we're going to put arrow null, and then go to menu, send it straight back to this. Okay, so let's test that. So I'm going to go to file, save as, go to desktop. So I'm going to save it in here. Yep. We're going to put little quiz game. Okay. Now save. So we're going to type it as bat. So little quiz game dot bat. Save. And then come off of this. Onto the desktop. Find this here. This my little quiz game. Open it, and here it is. This is what I wanted. So yeah, the colours worked. Welcome. What the hell? What did I just say? What did I just say? Hello. Welcome to my little quiz game. What did I just say? I just said welcome. Very nice, that is. So I'll put start 1. Because that didn't work because we haven't created start yet. 2, that doesn't work because we haven't created the rules yet. 3, that will just exit because we told it to exit. But then if we type something else, DHG, sorry this is not recognised, type 2 for a help screen. Yep. Actually, I might change that because that's saying rules, not help screen. So I might change it to help. Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. So let's close that. And so to get back onto it, I unclose it down, but if I close that down, so that is now no longer there. But if I right click this, and it should come up with edit with Notepad. If yours doesn't come up with this, I figured out that it means that you haven't installed it properly. So go back and install it again. You might, well, yeah, just try it again. I had to install it with an admin, on an admin's login to make it work. But you can just keep trying to install it. If it doesn't work, just ask your administrator, and they should be able to install it with it working. So just realised here there's a column which I don't need it. Okay. So then we're gonna go down to. I always like to separate. Ooh, bit of dust. Nose itching. Okay. So I always like going leaving a space before I go onto a different section before starting it, because it just like what does it mean? It just makes it look a bit better. So now we'll do the rules. So we'll put clear the screen, echo dots, color 0. What color should we have? Let's go to green 2, 0 2. Yeah, that should do. Now we're going to put let's see. Oh yeah, echo. Oh, full day of school. Okay, echo dot echo. Type in welcome to my rules page. Okay, welcome to my rules page. Echo. You can learn a lot from here. Echo. Here is how to play. So we'll put a little space. Put a little space between them. And then we'll put just echo dots echo rules will be displayed here. Okay, so we'll come around to that later to type them in. But you can, if you pause this video here, well, okay, so if you pause this video here, you can just quickly type in the rules. Echo dot echo. Now we're going to put in, no, not echo. We're going to just leave it as that for now. So we're going to put, let's see, echo dot echo. No, we'll put pause. So that will allow the user to just read all that, and then it will show here, press any key to continue. So it'll just show this, press any key to continue, ... So it'll show something like this. No, not that. It'll show something like that. Probably exactly that, actually. Probably show exactly that. So it'll show that automatically, and when you press any key, it'll just go to /menu. Okay, so now let's do starts. So :starts. Yeah, so I'll probably end the first video here, and we'll get right back to it in part 2. I'll post part 2 in the description so you can easily access it. It'll probably be up. Well, yeah, I'll just probably post them both up at the same time, so yeah. Oh, no. I'll post this one up and then I'll straight away record the other one because I've got a bit of time. So yeah. So thank you for watching, and just keep checking for part 2, and it'll be up very soon. Yeah. So bye.